Hi there, it's now time to go over central idea. We went over this on Monday, so we're just going to review. The central idea is what the story/text is mostly about. So remember, all informational texts have a central idea. What is informational text, you might be thinking? Well, let's think back to the book from Monday. I used the example planets, right? So this is an example of an informational text. You're learning real information and facts about planets from this book, okay? There's a lot of text features and photographs and headings and just a lot of different things you're learning in this book about planets. What are some other examples of informational text? What could they be? Informational text could be about planets, cars, homes, oceans, trees, Earth, maybe even communities. Informational text is anything that's giving you real information and that has text features, right? So remember, so you have your informational text that has a central idea that the author wants you, the reader, to take away from. So how can you do that? How can you figure out what the central idea is? Well, you could use details in the text to figure out the central idea. So you would look at the title, the pictures, and you'd listen for words that are said over and over and over again, right? So what I want to do is I want to show you a little example of this, a little picture, and I want us to use the details in the picture to figure out the central idea, okay? All right, now I know this is not a book, right? It's not, it's a picture, but I want to show you how you can use how you can use details to figure out what the main idea, what the central idea is, right? So let's go ahead and just look at this. Take a moment and think about it. All right, so we have detail 1, detail 2, and detail 2 is all this right here. Detail 3. Central idea is a little bowl right here, okay? So, detail 1. All right, so it's pointing to the banana. So there is some bananas. Detail 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 what? There are 3 scoops of ice cream. There are 3 scoops of ice cream. Okay, detail number 3. What is this? Detail number 3. These are cherries. There are some cherries. Okay, so there are some bananas. There are 3 scoops of ice cream. There are some cherries. What is this? Like, using the details, what do I have? We have a banana sundae, don't we? The central idea is we have a banana sundae. Okay? So, the reason why I wanted to show you this is the central idea is like the bowl, right? It has it's holding the details in place. So the details are like the scoops. They are supporting the central idea. All right, I hope you like this little activity over central idea. What I want you to mostly take away is, remember, you can use the details to help you figure out what the central idea is.